So yeah, I started out as an intern in the summer of 2001 and started full-time in 2002 as a project manager, and then went on to be an associate, and now I am the division manager of the Kansas City division.
I came to Phoenix over 10 years ago because my sister worked here and there was an opening in the front office. So I applied there and that's how I came to be, and I've been here ever since.
I've been here for 5 years. I come from a big corporate company in my first job, and coming to work at Phoenix has meant a lot for me to be able to be myself and be more flexible in this environment. It feels very family-like.
I went to K-State, majored in construction science and management. Went to career and employment services with K-State, and Phoenix had an ad out, and interviewed with Mark, actually in the main floor of one of the dorms at K-State before a K-State game, and got hired and have been here ever since. Stayed with Phoenix through other offers and things that came in, and worked my way up. I started out as a project manager, eventually worked my way up to an associate, into the district manager position, and then now I'm an owner.
Working at Phoenix compared to other restoration companies that I've been with, I would have to say the culture, the people, the work's the same, right? From company to company, but it's how we get it done, the people that are around us, our team, and how we treat our customers.
The beauty of this business is it's really a service business, and to have the heart of a servant is really at the core of what we do. We can teach everything else. If you're a good person and you care about helping people, and you will do what needs to be done when it needs to be done, and have the integrity to follow through, this is a great business to be in.